Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In this lesson, we will be see another one scenario of Apex trigger in Salesforce. The Apex trigger scenario is do not allow delete record if opportunity stage has closed on. So before delete the opportunity record, we will be check opportunity stage. If opportunity stage has closed on, then we do not allow to delete record of opportunity. Here we will be display an error message. If opportunity stage has closed on, then we do not allow this record. So follow these steps to create new Apex trigger in Salesforce. First, log in on Salesforce developer org, then open developer console and create an Apex trigger file on opportunity object. Then create trigger handle class. Here, before delete record, we will be checking opportunity stage. If opportunity stage has closed on, then display error message in Salesforce. This is a screenshot of opportunity detail page in Salesforce. This is the object name. Here is a button to delete the record. If user trying to delete the record of opportunity, before delete the record, we will be check a stage of opportunity. If record has closed on, then we do not allow to delete the record of opportunity if opportunity has closed on. So friends, this scenario we will be achieved from Apex trigger in Salesforce. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will be see live demo example and achieve this scenario through Apex trigger in Salesforce. So let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. First go to the setup. There is an option developer console. Open developer console in your personal org. Here I already opened my developer console. In the developer console, I created two files. First file is opportunity trigger. Second file is opportunity trigger handler. So as per the best practice, don't write business logic direct inside the opportunity trigger. Always create an opportunity trigger handler. Inside the trigger handler, we will be create a method. That method we will be called inside the opportunity trigger. So friends, before write a method, let me explain the scenario in the Salesforce. Go to the Salesforce, open any of the record opportunity. This is opportunity. Let me open one record opportunity. So as per the scenario, before delete the record of opportunity, we will be check the stage. If a stage has closed on like this, there is a button. Click on the arrow button. There is an option delete. If I want to delete the record, before delete the record of opportunity, we will be check the stage. If opportunity has closed on, then do not allow to delete record. Here we will be display error message. Closed on record of opportunity, we cannot delete it. So now let me go back on the developer console. First, I will be write a method public static void. Write the name of the method. Prevent delete opportunity. Prevent delete OPP. Bracket. Inside the bracket, here I am passing list of opportunity. Write the name of the parameter. OPP list. Inside the method, here I will apply for loop. Opportunity. Write the name of the variable OPP colon. Here I am passing list of opportunity that is defined inside the method as a parameter. Then here I will be check the opportunity stage. If OPP dot stage name double equal to closed on. So stage name in the opportunity there is a fixed value. So here I will be check closed on this one. Copy the value and pass here. Then we will be display error message. Message will be opp dot add error bracket. Inside the bracket we will be pass the message. Do not allow delete record if record has closed on. Here I am displaying the error message. Do not allow delete record if record has closed on. Then save the file. File has been saved successfully. Now let me go back opportunity trigger where we will be call this method into the opportunity trigger. In the opportunity trigger, we will be add a action event. Action event will be before delete. So here we need to add before delete because before deleting the record, we will be check a stage of the opportunity. If opportunity stage has closed on, then do not allow to delete the record of opportunity. So first we need to add action event before delete. Then add if condition. If trigger is before, trigger is before, else if trigger is after. So here I will be call this method inside the before because here I am checking before delete the record. So after before here I am using is delete context variable and trigger is delete. So here I am applying trigger is delete. It is a context variable inside the before action event. Now I am calling the method. So process of the calling the method. First we will be apply controller name dot method name. So copy the controller name, copy, paste here dot, write the name of the method. So my method name is prevent delete opportunity. Prevent delete opp bracket semicolon. Inside the bracket we will be pass trigger dot old. If you check the method, here I am passing list of opportunity and a parameter. So instead of the list of opportunity, here I am passing trigger dot old. So friends, here we need to pass trigger dot old because here I am deleting the existing record. So if you deleting existing record of a object, then you need to pass trigger dot old. So instead of the parameter, here I am passing trigger dot old because here I am deleting existing record of opportunity. Then save the file. File has been saved successfully. Now let me go to the opportunity object. This is opportunity object. Let me open one record of opportunity. So as per the scenario, if I am trying to delete the record of opportunity, before delete the record, I will be check stage. If a stage has closed on, then do not allow to delete the record of opportunity. So now let me delete this record. Go to the down arrow button. There is a button delete. Click here to delete the record. Are you sure you want to delete this opportunity? Yes. Delete. Here you can see do not allow delete record if record has closed on. So this message coming from Apex class trigger. So here you can find I mentioned opportunity add error. Do not allow delete record if opportunity record has closed on. So here you can add if opportunity stage has closed on. So now I am updating the message. Do not allow delete record if opportunity stage has closed on. Now save the file. File has been saved successfully. Now go to the opportunity. Now let me delete once again. Are you sure you want to delete this opportunity record? Yes, delete. Here you can find the updated message of the trigger. Do not allow delete record if opportunity stage has closed on. Now let me go another one record. Suppose I am opening Vijay Tech W3 page. This record has prospecting, not close on. Now let me delete this record. Simply go to down arrow and delete from here. Are you sure you want to delete this opportunity? Yes, delete. Here you can see opportunity record has been deleted because in this record stage not has closed on. So friends, in this lesson we have learned if opportunity record stage has closed on, then do not allow to delete record of opportunity. Before delete the record of opportunity, we are checking a stage of the opportunity. If stage of opportunity has closed on, then do not allow to delete the record. So this scenario we have achieved through Apex Trigger in Salesforce. So try to do from your side in your personal org. If you're getting anything of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.